By the year 2030, India is expected to have 98 million diabetics. The study, published in the Lancet Diabetes and Endocrinology journal, also said that China, followed by India, and the US will constitute over half of type 2 diabetics by 2030. Diabetes is a condition characterized by elevated blood sugar levels. If left untreated, diabetes could affect your kidneys and heart health and even induce weight gain. Lack of awareness and countless myths surrounding diabetes is making things even tougher for diabetics and people suffering from prediabetes. Diabetes is said to be an irreversible condition, but if your situation is not that chronic, you can try to take some precautions at home. There are plenty of natural remedies, which may help prevent blood sugar spikes. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is said to have many potent anti-diabetic properties. Amla is used in many Ayurvedic concoctions. The vitamin C-rich fruit is excellent for digestion and skin and has been part of Ayurvedic medicine since time immemorial. In Ayurveda, diabetes is referred to as madhumi. It is a kapha-based disorder. 1. Amla for diabetes. Amla is bitter in taste. Diabetics must include bitter foods in their diet. It helps prevent surges in blood sugar levels. Amla is also high in fiber. High fiber foods enable the gradual release of sugar in the bloodstream. If the sugar is released at a slow pace, your blood sugar levels tend to stay stable for a long. Studies say amla is an effective remedy to prevent pancreatitis. It is a condition where the walls of your pancreas become inflamed, and in worse cases, it may also hamper the activity of your insulin-secreting cells. Amla is also rich in chromium, a mineral that is helpful in regulating your carbohydrate metabolism and making the body more responsive to insulin. Being a rich source of vitamin C also makes it an ideal diabetic-friendly fruit. A study, published in the Archives of Internal Medicine, suggested that there is a significant link between vitamin C levels and diabetes. You can eat amla raw and fresh with a sprinkle of rock salt, or you can use it to brew a diabetic-friendly tea. Here's how to make amla tea for diabetes. 1. In a steel container, take 1.5 cups of water. 2. Add a teaspoon of coarse dried amla powder and half a teaspoon of freshly crushed ginger. 3. Let it simmer for 10 minutes on medium flame. 4. Strain and drink. Drink this bitter tea twice every day and see the impact yourself.